Every year, scams rob people of billions, leaving families devastated and dreams on hold. These aren't just numbers, they're years of hard work lost. Scammers are more advanced than ever, using fake emails, urgent texts, and social media to trick you. Their tactics keep evolving, so staying alert is crucial. Spotting scams early and using security tools like two-factor authentication can protect you. If you suspect a scam, act fast. Reporting quickly can help recover funds and stop scammers. Protecting yourself also protects your community. Stay informed, share what you know, and help keep everyone safe. Scams are always evolving, but the tactics behind them often stay the same. By learning these patterns, you'll be better prepared to spot a scam, no matter what form it takes. This empowers you to protect yourself and your loved ones. Scammers rely on high-pressure tactics and urgency. If someone says you must act immediately or there's an emergency only you can solve, that's a red flag. Legitimate businesses never force snap decisions. Be wary of anyone promising guaranteed high returns with no risk. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Watch out for requests to pay with gift cards, wire transfers, or cryptocurrency. Legitimate businesses and government agencies will never demand payment this way. Unsolicited contact from someone you don't know is another warning sign. Be cautious if you receive unexpected messages or calls, especially if they ask for personal information. Always verify by contacting the company directly using official contact information. Don't use numbers or links from suspicious messages. Hang up or delete suspicious messages right away. Don't engage or click on any links. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, pause and do your research. Staying cautious is your best defense against scams. Scammers create convincing schemes every day, hoping to trick you out of your money. Their emails and websites look official, with company logos and fake testimonials, all designed to gain your trust. In one real case, someone double-checked a suspicious investment offer using official resources and discovered it was a scam. Always pause and verify before acting. Your caution is your best defense against scams. If you suspect a scam, act immediately. Don't wait. Cut off all communication with the suspected scammer. Don't reply, click links, or download attachments. Document everything. Take screenshots, save emails, and write down details. Gather any financial records related to the scam. Contact your bank or credit card company right away if you shared any financial info. They can block transactions, freeze accounts, or issue new cards. Acting fast increases your chances of recovering your money. Don't feel embarrassed, scammers target everyone. Move past any shame and take action quickly. Your quick response is your best weapon. Protect yourself and help authorities hold scammers accountable. The faster you act, the better your outcome. When reporting a scam, provide as much detail as possible: timeline, communications, and transaction info. Report scams to the FTC at reportfraud.ftc.gov, your state attorney general, and the FBI's IC3. Even if you can't recover your money, your report helps authorities spot patterns and build cases. Your information can prevent others from becoming victims. Banks and credit card companies can often reverse fraudulent charges if you act quickly. If you paid by wire, gift card, or crypto, recovery is harder. Report immediately. Every report adds to a database that helps fight fraud. Your voice matters in stopping scams. The more details you provide, the better the chance of catching the criminals. Don't hesitate. Report every scam. The best way to avoid scams is to slow down and stay skeptical. Don't rush into decisions. Scammers want you to act fast. Always verify the identity of anyone contacting you using official sources. Never share sensitive info like social security numbers or passwords in response to unsolicited messages. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Monitor your financial accounts and credit reports regularly for suspicious activity. Get your free annual credit reports at annualcreditreport.com. Trust your gut. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Hang up or delete suspicious messages without responding. You don't owe strangers your trust or time. Legitimate businesses will understand your caution. Scammers will pressure you. Don't give in. Your intuition is a powerful defense. Scammers target certain groups more often: seniors, small business owners, job seekers, and students. Seniors may be targeted with fake emergency calls or government impersonators. Small businesses get fake invoices or bogus compliance requests. Job seekers face fake job offers that require upfront fees. Real employers never ask for payment to hire you. Students may get scam offers for loan forgiveness or scholarships that require a fee. Never pay to get money or a job. Train employees and family members to spot red flags. Know the scams aimed at your group and stay alert. Awareness is your first line of defense. Recovering from a scam is tough, but the right steps help you regain control. After reporting to your bank and authorities, monitor your accounts and credit reports closely. Consider placing a fraud alert or credit freeze with the major bureaus. Fraud alerts and credit freezes make it harder for scammers to open new accounts in your name. Scammers rely on speed and secrecy. Slow down and verify everything. Talk to someone you trust before making financial decisions. Don't blame yourself. Anyone can be a victim. The sooner you act, the better your chances of recovery. Change passwords and review privacy settings on social media. Share your experience to help others avoid scams. Every step you take strengthens your defenses. Protecting yourself from scams comes down to 4 simple steps. First, slow down. Don't let anyone rush you into a decision. Second, verify. Check the identity and story using official sources. Never trust contact info provided by the person reaching out. Third, document. Save all messages, emails, and transaction records. Good documentation helps your case with banks and authorities. Fourth, report. Tell your bank, the FTC, and local police. Reporting helps catch scammers and protects others. These steps are easy to remember and powerful in practice. Slow down, verify, document, and report. Make these habits part of your routine. You have the power to stop scams before they start. Stay alert, stay safe, and help protect your community.